My name is Marjorie Sanger.
My name is Melvin Montalvo.
My name is Demetria Foster.
My name is Summer Cosmos, and I am another one of the members of the first graduating class of the MBA program at Berkeley.
You want to remain competitive, and what better place or better time for me to go back for an MBA?
The ability of taking night classes for the MBA program was super advantageous for someone who's working full-time, trying to maintain a career, but does want to juggle work and school and advancements in education.
And I actually have a good stronghold of a lot of different relationships here in the program, just because the diversity is great. It's dynamic, and that's what makes it great, because you learn and you grow.
And you keep each other motivated, you keep each other driven.
The professors here at Berkeley are super supportive.
They were willing to share, their information, their knowledge, and they really put their heart and soul into teaching the student.
They made us all stronger personally, professionally, academically.
When you submit your resume to a potential employer, they're going to take that consideration, and they're going to look at the Berkeley M.B.A. and say, wait a minute, this student stands out. There's something special, there's something more that this piece of paper is not saying, and that's dedication.
I succeeded. I have a 3.8 GPA. I'm top of my class. I have awesome relationships with students, with professors, with faculty. If I can do it, you can do it too.